Hello, everyone. Are you thinking about buying a Bible study guide from Valorrea? Hold on, you need to hear this first. Valorrea sells Bible study books and workbooks online. They promise easy to understand guides that help families grow in faith. Sounds great, right? But there's a big problem. First, the company is only 4 months old. That's a huge warning sign. Second, many customers say they've never received their orders. Others got books that looked nothing like the ads. The worst part, multiple buyers report the books are stolen from real author Jenny Ingram and badly copied. Reviewers on Trustpilot tell a scary story. People ordered books and got fake tracking numbers. When products did arrive, they were tiny booklets, not the full-sized workbooks shown in ads. One customer received a 4 by 6 inch book instead of the advertised workbook. Returns are nearly impossible as well. The company claims you must ship items to Germany at your own cost, even though packages ship from the United States. Here's how it works. Emotional Facebook ads pull up at your heartstrings about kids leaving the faith. You click, see huge discounts, and feel pressured to buy fast. But security sites give Valorrea terrible scores. They use aggressive marketing to target Christian parents who want the best for their kids. Is Valorrea worth it? Absolutely not. Poor customer service, stolen content, misleading ads, and impossible returns. Save your money and buy from trusted sources instead. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.